Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find friends on Discord. Finding and adding friends lets us chat, share messages, and stay connected on the platform. We will walk you through how to search for and add friends easily. Now let's get started. On your Discord dashboard, we can add a friend by clicking on Direct Messages. We just click here, and then we click on Friends. Here, we type in the Discord ID of the friend we want to add. For example, we have our friend's ID ready, and once we send the friend request, as you can see, it shows a success message, which means the friend request has been sent. Once they accept it, they will appear as a friend on Discord. That's all there is to it. We have successfully learned how to find and add friends on Discord. Now we can start chatting and connecting with friends anytime.